As a content creator, this right here is my money maker, and I do not slack when it comes to taking care of my money maker. Hey Han, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my morning skincare routine. It's really easy, it's just 4 steps, and as somebody with oily skin, these products just do it for me. So I just thought I'd share. Let's get into it. First off, I'm going to wash my face with the Shanyi Beauty Berry Clean Foaming Wash. Bruh, I love this face wash for so many reasons. First of all, the lather. Can we get into it? Just 2 pumps and I'm ready to go washing my face. It is amazing. And the scent, it smells like fresh, like you're walking through a garden of like fresh berries. I don't know how to describe. It's just amazing. Like fresh raspberries is what it smells like, and it doesn't strip my skin, because usually when I wash my face turns white, but with this product, since I started using it, my face just feels normal, just feels clean, just feels, lighter, but not dry, not stripped. So I love it very much. And as somebody with oily skin, one thing that causes your skin to produce so much oil is when it detects that your skin surface is very dry, so it goes into override, producing oil that would help lubricate your skin surface. But with this face wash, I wash my face and my face doesn't feel dry. By the time I layer it with the other products, like, my face doesn't get oily throughout the day. The way my face is when I finish is the way it's going to be for the next like 10 hours. So I love it so much. Let's move on to the next product. This is the Bioactive Hydrating Essence from Shanyi Beauty. Now with this essence, I love it because it's kind of like a mixture between a serum and a toner. So it saves me like the multiple steps of having to do, like, after washing, you put on your toner and then you put on your serum, and then you have to layer all that. Just the essence and bam, we're ready to move on to moisturizer. And another thing about this essence is that it smells like rose water. It smells like roses. I love it. Like, I love the scent, and it also has that really gooey consistency that just easily melts into the skin. I love it. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Its active ingredients is bakuchiol. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but it's basically like a plant-based retinol that helps to like make your skin firm and boost collagen production. And it has hyaluronic acid, which will intensely hydrate your skin. I just love it. I'm in love with this product. I don't know. Up next, I have my face cream. This is the Beta Repair Soothing Face Cream. When I tell you that I love this thing, let me tell you why. So first of all, a little goes a long way. That's one thing I like about it. See, me, I'm not the kind of person that likes to spend money every month on skincare. I like to buy something, let it last for like 3 months. And that is what this face cream is going to do for me, okay? This face cream, you literally need just small. When I say just small, I say like a little goes a long way. Tiny like this, and you're set. Oh, I didn't show you the scoop I scooped. So I basically took something akin to like this size. So just a little like that goes such a long way. So next thing is to blend it into my skin. I don't really like to use a lot of moisturizer in the morning because I'm usually up and about during the day, so I don't want to layer too much product that will not make me to come and be sweating. I do not like sweating, but I will burst into sweats at the slightest like temperature change. So I try not to put too much product on my face at once in the morning, which is why my skincare routine is literally 4 steps long. Because there are some people, they will put they wash their face and then they will put toner and then serum and then treatment, and then they will pack on like this whole glob of moisturizer, and they will still put that 2-finger sunscreen and I don't know how people's skin absorbs all that, but mine, I won't even have stepped out the door. I would have sweat everything away. My black shirt will become white. We sweat everything on it. And I don't know if it's an oily skin thing or I don't know, but I just can't. I mean, with just the little moisturizer that I've put now, look at my skin. Looks very healthy, very taken care of, very glowy. And the moisturizer, another thing that I love about it is that it doesn't leave a greasy finish. Absolutely not. Like, it leaves you with this glow, but it's not greasy. I don't know if you can see what I mean with, all this my light that is lighting me up, but sha and glow sha, by the grace of God. I like to apply my lip balm before I apply my sunscreen. I don't know why. But yeah, always apply lip balm. Ha. If you're not applying lip balm, what are you doing? Even if you want to use lip gloss, put lip balm first. Okay, so last but not the least, I have my sunscreen, and this sunscreen that I want to finish, but I will use every last drop of it in this Tinubu regime for the battle. Eh? Eh? Ew. Okay. I just wanna use you. I have another one though. When I noticed that this one was about to finish, I bought another one. But this one must finish before I open new one. I mean, look at how much of it I was able to get out. This is probably more than I actually need. Just from shaking the bottle a little bit, giving a little shake up. The whole 2 applications is what I just brought out like this now. Sun go fear me today. Wait a minute. Anyway, I mean, it's sunscreen, so I might as well put it like all over. All of us are so focused on keeping sunscreen on our face that we forget our hands, our feet. You are packing sunscreen on your face, but you are wearing ripped jeans and you did not put sunscreen in the open areas. See life? This is not my usual skincare routine. On a normal day, the sunscreen I used to put is one finger like this and I'm ready to go. But I just said, before I throw this thing away, let me just squeeze out everything that is inside. And I think I have. I did not get it. Oh, ribbon machine glow. See how a baby girl is glowing. Wow. So yeah, that's basically my entire morning skincare routine. It's just 4 steps. I have my face wash, my essence, my face cream, and my sunscreen that I just threw away. So yeah, all these products will be linked in the description below if you would like to check them out. And you can use my code to get 15% off if you end up being interested in buying them, because I'm pretty sure once you get to that website and you read like all the ingredients and everything, you would be sold on these. And it doesn't really matter what skin type you have, because I feel like if you have dry skin, the essence is very hydrating and the face cream is very moisturizing, and the face wash doesn't strip, so your face won't be dry. So whether you have dry skin or you have oily skin or you have combination skin, I feel like these products are all-rounders basically. So anyway, I will link them in the description. That is all for this video. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.